Why is the fear of leaving a job the #1 obstacle to entrepreneurship? The results of the previous survey were clear. Most of you don't lack an idea. You fear leaving your job. And this fear is not a weakness, as is often portrayed. It is a natural mental response to financial security. A job provides a stable income, a sense of security, a clear social identity. That's why the mind associates it with safety. The real problem doesn't start with fear itself, but with the belief that entrepreneurship means either I quit my #job or I never start. This is a misconception. Most successful entrepreneurs did not quit their jobs immediately. They transitioned gradually, following a smart plan that respects reality. More than 60% of sustainable businesses started in parallel with a full-time job. The real enemies are, first, the absence of a #method. You don't find a balance between your job and what you want to entrepreneur. You may need to exchange with people who had this experience before to get an idea from them. Second, unclear steps. A clear steps will help you to go forward in your project even if you will face bad days, and that will happen to you for sure. The third enemy is not understanding how to safely transition from an employee mindset to an entrepreneur mindset. Here are what you have to gain to success. Financial clarity. If you have to run your own business, you have to understand the financial part of your business, beginning of the capital to how it will be spent. A gradual, phased vision. You have to begin step by step and don't look to perfection. You just have to begin and the improvement will come. A balanced internal personal foundation. In this step, you may need someone to help you in your journey. Fear shifts from being an obstacle to becoming a compass. Fear shifts from being an obstacle to becoming a compass. That's where the difference begins between those who remain stuck for years and those who move forward steadily without major losses. Entrepreneurship is not a leap into the unknown, but a journey of awareness, planning, and calculated transition. So tell me, what about you? At what stage are you, and when do you want to begin your journey?